Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Store error with the error code 0x803FB005, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to reset the Microsoft Store. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command ws reset and hit enter. This should solve the problem for a lot of users, but if it does not, then you can reinstall the Microsoft Store. Now I have this command. I have mentioned this command in the description section of the video. You can pick it up. Search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste this command here and hit enter. This will reinstall the Microsoft Store. And finally, there could be a chance that there are some missing or corrupt system files. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc/scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.